just look at the skin. Baby girl is glowing, no, let's not lie. Like, do you want to suck first?
Yes.
We've got a package. It's a really beautiful Monday and it's just about midday right here, and I'm so excited for this new week. But surprisingly, I think I'll be starting my Monday with chores because I've just let them slide over the weekend. So first I'll be doing the dishes, and then I'll be going to arrange the laundry. You remember those laundry that I did last week? I just want to fold and hang those clothes today. Like, I just let them slide all through the weekend, and whatever comes after, I don't really know. But hey, how have you guys been? Hope your weekend was good. It's a bright and beautiful Monday, and I hope that the day is amazing. I hope that your week will turn out well. And yes, it's my husband's birthday this week. I do not have anything planned for him. He doesn't want me to plan anything as well. So yeah, I don't know how it's gonna be, but I'm just gonna let the energy flow. So guys, let's do some chores together. And I am super duper excited to unbox it because I literally had to wait 40 days and 40 nights for this delivery. Like, it will take. Waiting happen. Like, over 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, or at least 2 weeks for this delivery to come. But I'm glad it's finally here. So let's see what we got. I've been wanting to get this stuff for a minute, and they were on sale, and I said it is the absolute time to get this product. And I must say, they really did well with this packaging. Like, see the way they came. Everything is properly wrapped. Thank you, baby. Yay! So, yeah, that's it. Here I got the Naturium Glow Getter multi-oil body wash. Sis, I got a glow! Of course, I had to buy the Glow Getter. And here I have the Biolipid Restoring Body Lotion. Like, I did a mix. They came in like bundles, so I did this bundle in one and then this bundle in one because I know that I won't be using the Glow Getter every day, so I just decided to do a mix after reading the content of what it's about. Now this one is the smoother glycolic acid body wash right here. And and this is the KP body scrub and mask. Yes, I hope you guys can see it properly. So this one is for exfoliating, and this one is just to make me glow. So for exfoliating, I can't use it every day, so I'm just going to mix it together and just go with the flow. And this is just a scrub, so that is good as well. And this is the body lotion to keep my skin moisturized. So guys, let's go on this Naturium journey and let's see what comes out of it. And when I took this delivery, I remember that I had some other packages that I need to return, so I've wrapped them up here. One from Shein and one from Timo. So I'll be going out later in the afternoon to return them. So now I'm just going to chill, relax.
I don't want to relax.
You don't want me to relax?
I want to relax.
You want to relax? Okay, let's relax, baby. Let's relax. Let's relax. Let's relax. You want soft breast? Eh? You want soft breast? Yes? What? Siri, what do you want?
And this
What do you want?
mommy cereal.
Eh? You want soft breast?
I rather enjoy what I'm doing right now.
Simi,
Yes?
do you want a soft breast?
Yes.
Simi wants a soft breast. Simi, Simi. Simi, Simi. Simi, Simi, Simi.
Yes.
Girl, the sun outside is hitting. Like, I was literally soaked. Like, it's giving Lagos vibes, so I can't even lie. And the weather is amazing, I must say, because since I've been in Canada, I have not even turned on my lights. I've not used any LED lights, nothing. It's just been pure sunlight, and it's almost 7 p.m. and see the way it's still banging, see the way I'm still popping. Oh gosh, I love it. Anyway, to give you guys the gist, I went to drop off the return items at the post office, and then we went to inquire at the swimming pool for the kids. Apparently it is $55 per child to learn how to swim Monday to Friday, which is not bad. So that, but the bad thing is that it is for 2 weeks, so that is $110 for 2 kids for every 2 weeks. I don't know if that makes sense. So it is $220 in a month for them to trade. And okay, looking at it, it is dollars and not pounds, so that's not bad actually. I mean, the reason, I don't know, I'm still thinking in I'm thinking in pounds. Anyway, that is it, and I don't know what we're going to have for dinner. Not everybody could just drink Gary, made them day alright. But yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna go continue with my learning, because girls about to have some new skills. It's a bright and beautiful Tuesday afternoon. Sorry, I mean morning. It is just past 9 a.m. in the morning, and we are ready to start our day. But first, Jesus, look at the skin. Baby girl is glowing, no, let's not lie. Like, I look so clean and fresh. Oh, you see the camera that is making me feel like this. Anyway, a moment to appreciate myself, because why not? Okay, sorry, I digressed. Back to what I was saying. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning, and yeah, we have had our bath and we are ready to eat, because last night I didn't get to eat like a solid meal. I had watermelon for dinner. My husband had moi moi that was in the fridge, and the kids, I think they had oatmeal for dinner, and that just depicts the fact that we do not have any food at home, and I need to cook. Of course, there's raw food, but we can't eat raw food. I have to cook it, so I just have to sacrifice today to cook a lot, and that's what will be taking most of my time today. So guys, let's cook. To shop, and I'm usually very excited when I receive packages. I just like to unbox. Like, it makes you feel good, you know, just checking out what I've ordered for, seeing if it looks good. I'm just happy. I like to buy stuff, I like to add to cart, and this time it's with my belly. It's with my belly. Look at it. Look at it. So gorgeous. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. green dress. It's a mini dress. It has a shoulder pad. I can't wait to rock this. Although I thought the fabric will be stiffer than this. This is a regular crepe fabric. Oh yeah. That's number one. I also have here this nice pants. I'm surprised about the color actually. I thought it was going to be a different color, but yeah, I like that it is a wide leg trouser. Yay. I just hope the waist fits me, but it should. Look at it. And number three, this skirt, I don't the I am for a minute, and let me just quickly wear it. It's a structured skirt, a very nice mini skirt. Yeah. Is it nice or it's nice? I like how movie small. Yeah, I like how movie small. Okay, package number two. The reason why these packages came differently was as I was adding to carts. In 10 minutes, these things were just going. I'll just see it's no longer available, it's no longer available. So I had to just quickly buy what I wanted first, and then I went back to buy the second batch so that it just doesn't keep saying that it's sold out, right? So we got this. Let's see what we got. Aww, so cute. Look at it. Oh, will you size me, Jesus? Hey, God, I beg you. Eh? This one not size me. This one not size me. And I did my measurements well. I'm going to have to return that sandal, and I bought this weather appropriate dress, the spaghetti strap dress, and I like it, to be very honest. And look at what the back looks like. Yay, we are ready for summer. We are ready for summer. Anyway, hope you guys have been well. I was so tired yesterday. I just couldn't keep up with the vlog. As in, people who are very detailed with their vlogging, like you guys are doing a great job, and I hope you get everything you deserve. But I just couldn't keep up, and I cooked a lot of things. Okay, I also, apart from the things that I showed yesterday, I also cooked chicken stew. I cooked beans, and I cooked rice. So yeah, that was it. I want to go and continue with my class now, so I'm going to see you guys. You don't trust me to do the back. That's why you don't do it. Shop, don't close.